Understanding change orders. A kitchen and bath remodel is a major undertaking, far more complex than a routine painting job. With so many moving parts, unexpected costs can arise, often in the form of change orders. A change order refers to additional costs incurred after the contract is signed, typically due to unforeseen issues or modifications requested by the homeowner. While some change orders are necessary, others can be avoided with careful planning. Common causes of change orders: hidden structural issues. Contractors may discover HVAC, plumbing, or electrical systems that need updating once walls are opened. Homeowner modifications. Changing paint colors, swapping out fixtures, or choosing a different tile mid project all trigger additional costs. Low-ball bidding tactics. Some contractors intentionally bid low on incomplete plans, then issue expensive change orders once the project is underway. Lack of detailed plans. If plans are vague or incomplete, unexpected adjustments can arise, leading to additional expenses. Appliance and fixture compatibility issues. Not finalizing specifications before rough-in work can result in costly modifications. How to avoid unexpected costs. Hire the right team. Work with experienced designers, architects, and contractors who can anticipate potential issues before work begins. Have a complete set of plans. Avoid bidding on rough plans. The more detailed the plan, the fewer surprises later. Consider total project costs. Factor in architectural fees, permits, appliances, fixtures, and decorative elements in your budget. Finalize appliances and fixtures early. Ensure all specifications are confirmed before mechanical and electrical work begins to prevent costly relocations. Trust the process. While minor adjustments may be necessary, frequent changes mid-project will lead to unnecessary expenses and delays. Work with a unified team. Using separate subcontractors outside your contractor's team can lead to miscommunications and added costs. Planning ahead for a stress-free remodel. Change orders are sometimes unavoidable, but with the right approach, they can be minimized. At RAJ Kitchen and Bath, we prioritize detailed planning and proactive troubleshooting to protect your budget and timeline. By anticipating potential roadblocks up front, we help homeowners avoid unnecessary stress and unexpected costs. Thinking about a remodel? Let's talk. Our expert team is ready to guide you through a seamless renovation process with transparency and precision. Schedule a consultation today.